We have a GoPro. We have a Supercharger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just cruising back from Bunnings. Lockdown is over. Thank God for that. Let's hear some Supercharger whine noises on a Sunday, eh? Let's do that. Here we go. So you're just cruising through a suburb called North Lakes at the moment. Cruising back from Bunnings, as I said. So let's cruise through here. It's just on 4 o'clock now, so lockdown is over fully. Still a few things you have to do, wear masks and all that type of shit, but I think we can live with that for a couple of weeks. So thanks for tuning in to the channel last night for the short live stream. As I said, I'll try and use the OSB Streamlabs next time. It was playing up. I don't know what it was doing or what I was doing wrong. You can see the gyms are open now, 4 o'clock. Everyone's rushing in there. I might wait a few days to go to the gym, let everyone get their little bit out and go from there. So let's cruise down here, eh? Don't want to go too quick. This is probably a speed camera just here. It's 50 through here now. It's all changed. So I'll go left down here. Everybody's out in the roads now. It's after 4 p.m. and everybody's out in the roads, getting their bit in before work next week. So we're cruising sort of eastbound here at the moment, back towards the North Lake Shopping Centre, which is over that direction, where we are going. So we'll turn right here. This is Oxley Street in North Lakes. Here we go again. People out walking their dogs, cruising around now that lockdown's over. Here we go. Down here. So the rear brake should be changed next weekend I should say. Oh, that sun's a bit bright. Sorry, the sun visor's going to be in the way a little bit here. There's not much I can do about that, I'm sorry. I'll go right down here around the roundabout and come back this way as well. So yeah, get the new brakes on next weekend. So I'll do a how-to. There's a few guys on a few of the VF Commodore pages that I'm on that they're actually asking how to do it, because they don't make the like the hats for them, and especially having the electric park brake can be a bit difficult, but we'll get that sorted. Here we go. Here we go. Love that noise. So yep, cruising towards North Lake Shopping Centre, just up on the right up here. Nice Sunday afternoon out of lockdown. Feel sorry for the guys who are in New South Wales and Victoria. Hearing the cases down there, it could be in lockdown for a little bit longer. So thankfully Queensland has gotten out of their little bit of a lockdown. Let's hope we don't have it again. Here we go again. Get stuck by the lights. So I can get very congested around here during peak hour. I actually think it is looking like peak hour at the moment. Everyone's out of their homes and freedom driving around, cruising around. So we'll cruise down here, we'll turn right up here, try and avoid the traffic lights. There we go. So yep, that's North Lake Shopping Centre right there. So let's go up here, get some more whiny noises. Accident just there. I don't know what was going on, someone didn't give way or something like that. But yeah, this is Anzac Avenue, so we'll cruise back down here towards the northern suburbs of Brisbane. Get some more Supercharger whiny noises going this way as well. So yep, might try and get that HSV VE E3 on the channel maybe in the next weekend or so, and go from there. And then get that other supercharged VE with over 1,000 horsepower on it on the channel as well. So hopefully get that done and should be good view. No speed cameras here today. There's normally a speed camera that sits just here on the right hand side. But of course we're doing the speed limit, so nothing to worry about there. Thanks for tuning in. Just a few little Supercharger whining noises there. Hope you like that for a Sunday. Supercharger whine on a Sunday. So thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe if you're new here. Subscribe button's about there in picture. Hopefully I got that angle of the camera right. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.